When we started out, we thought of collecting all of our childhood drawings, the ones that we made when we were kids, to know what our interests are and how it came out to be. Like during our childhood, how the interests and the influences that other art forms have given us to make us who we are right now, and why we do the art we do right now. So when we were doing that, when we were collecting the drawings and we were looking at them and studying them, we also looked at those art forms that has influenced our art, like the comics, the cartoons, the toys that we played with, the movies that we watched, and all of this. When we did that, we found out that we were attached to certain ideas or certain pieces, especially these toys.